Hey guys, here, so on Facebook, what happened is that Mr. Horsepower 7 has a Casablanca Panama 5, but his is from 1987, and he ended up with putting Saturn blades on it, and I want Saturn blades, and I love Saturn blades. It makes it look a little larger, just like how he tried 50-inch blades on a Spirit of Saturn. I might try that next, so, yes. This fan was made in March 3rd, 2003, and it's the 11th fan made that day. So, I'll show you the tag. One weird thing about this thing, it's got the older tag. Most 3-speed which is really rare. Most 3-speed see, look. Focus camera, March 1st, 2003, 11th fan made that day. Most Casablancas, as of like 2004, started to use like the newer tag that just says Casablanca on it. But this one is really weird. But in 2006, I think, that's when Casablanca stopped making the 3-speed Panama and switched to 4-speed. I think maybe they sold their models to Hunter. I think this could have been before Burton died. I think I'm going to leave the lights on for this video. The backlight. So here's low. I did take this is fan number 1. I did take the light kit off of it because I was getting bored with the light. If I can find a different light kit for it, then I can do it. Here's low. One of the blades is a little bent, but it's okay. Well, at least when I put it up and I put it on high speed, it wobbled just a tad, but didn't wobble too much with how it does with the 50-inch blades. Here's low. It's got a really nice low speed to it. I really like the low speed. If this was a Concentra, that would be a little faster. Because the direct drive motor is a little faster. Here's medium. The XLP motor tends to be a little slow on low speed. Just like the Emerson K55XL. Those have a really nice low speed. I wish they all ran on low speed because I like the look of it. At least if it's a premium select, then it would always run on low. Here's medium. So Mr. Horsepower 7 tried on his 3-speed Panama. Hi. It does do a torque. But I don't even need to hold it because, look, just wobbles a tad. Not too much, like it's gonna fall. This thing moves a lot of air. And back last year, I'm gonna get the camera close to it. At least I am pretty talkative. That's why I talk a lot in my videos. This thing moves a lot of air. That's the top view of it. As you see, one of the blades is a little bent, but surprisingly, just doesn't wobble at all. It may be warped, but I don't know. Or just be one of the arms. I know I am missing a screw to a... Come on, so we're focused. Focus, camera. Get on the stand properly, camera. This camera does not like the sand for some reason. Here we go. That's high. Here's spin down. Let's reverse it. The low speed on this thing reminds you of I've never seen K55XL with the Saturn blades. Well, the E-Man fan has one of these, and his is the newer 2004% tag. But this mine is just from 2003. Well, newer Casablancas today are just made by Hunter. I don't like those ones that much. Well, at least the newer Panama is just like made by Hunter. Well, Casablanca stopped selling the Legacy series because they're just trying to make everything made by Hunter. They started out in 2013. They still had some Legacy series, but they discontinued most of it in 2014. But 2015, that's when they stopped it all, except for the they may have kept 3 of the Legacy series, like the 19th Century, the Mission, and the Victorian. But today, the Victorian's discontinued. And the what are the ones that discontinued? They discontinued the 19th Century back in 2016. They discontinued the Victorian probably like 2018, 2017, I don't know. It's actually Victorian too because of the blade irons. As you can tell, they're working on the house, so I may have to move out for a while, but they are going to work on the floors during I'm at Florida. I do that fan sightings. Now I'm staying in the hotel, by the way. Not Cranes, but it's a another hotel that I went in before and took a video of the fans. Well, man, that hotel is a lot. So I can't stop, so let's do low reverse. So, the hotel was called Colony Hotel and Cabana Club. Well, the hotel has Hampton Bay landmarks, and some areas have Hampton Bay landmarks, but the landmark 3 pluses is a little junky. Well, the one that my aunt has, it's made by SMC. Well, the one that Mr. Horsepower 7 had, it was made by King of Fans, and that was terrible. Most SMC Hampton Bay fans are good. I think it probably was made by King of Fans. I don't know. It kept getting loose. The blade, but Hampton Bay Hawkins was made by King of Fans. Well, the one my aunt has, it's dead silent, and it's made by SMC. Well, it means my uncle likes it on high, and she likes it on low. I don't know why, but sometimes his uncle likes it on the fast setting. So here's low. Here is medium. Well, some houses I've been to, their fan chains were set to medium. So What's the point with the fans at the medium? Here's high. Does wobble a little more in reverse. Then it back to forward. And that is it. Here is that was the 3-speed Casablanca Panama with Panama 2, I should say, with the older tag and sphere Saturn blades. Looks classic. Some Panama 5s have that. Yep. So, thanks for watching.